is a balm in Gilead. It comes like wisdom, speaks like children. It's a sight to the blind and a strength to my weakness. It's something for soul, body, mind. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a rest for the weary, a song to the sore. It's the dew to my dryness that fills me with joy when I had none. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a spring in the desert for the withered of soul. It's a strength and a power that keeps making you whole. It's a question you're asking and the answers you need. It's the face you've been seeking, the one you've been begging to see. There is a balm in Gilead. It's the trash and the remnants of all my train wrecks coming together and still heading out west like a blank paycheck that's paying off the back rent, taking me further to whatever's to happen next. There is a balm in Gilead. It's the light of the dawn. It's the scale without measure. It's the bread of a baker and the blood of a maker. It's the water I long for and the story on fire. It's the breath and the magic and the something to die for. It's the laying down of the shepherd at night. There is a balm in Gilead. There is a balm in Gilead. There is a balm in Gilead. If I keep it honest, David, will you play with me? I will smile within the pictures and then let the music breathe. We'll let laughing in the lyrics, setting prose in all its pain. Leaving distance from those cynics, we will keep them all at bay. We'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. I am dressed for the occasion. I am in my Sunday best. Worried through my altercation, you've forgotten the address. David, keep on playing, he is bound to show sometime. take on all of the problems like he turns mud into sight. And we'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. I am trying to remember how I came into this place. I know the affirmation brought their promises of fame. Could my love for spotlight bring your greater love for grace? When the shows are all over, you're the reason why I stay. We'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. David was the audience, always on your mind. Were you looking for a connection? Was it hard to find? I am dressed for the occasion. I am in my Sunday best. I will play my heart out and forget about the rest. And we'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. We'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. I met a man named Melchizedek. He was a good man, a good man. Wandering lonely in the desert, he invited me to stay. Said I would learn to love the space. I knew a woman, her name was Jezebel. She was a wild one, a wild one. She said, come out and we could have fun. And then she wanted me to go. She couldn't stand getting too close. And I'm curious who I'll meet next. Who among them I will love best. That depends upon the context, doesn't it, doesn't it? Was a sweet child. Her heart was broken, seen from miles wide, like the moon over the world. man from Golgotha. He was a giving man, a giving man. He promised he would break my every day. In every way I use the word, the wall, the water, and the world. And I'm curious who I'll meet next, who among them I will love best. That depends upon the context, doesn't it, doesn't it? Like an evening dress, break to the right, sway to the left. In the morning everything is spent, and I make my way back home. What the wires couldn't catch certainty, and the world serves around, round, round, on the edge of all we see. Put it on just like an evening dress, parade to the right, sway to the left. In the morning everything is spent, and I make my way back home. Put it on just like an evening dress, parade to the right, sway to the left. In the morning everything is spent, and I make my way back home. Settle down, settle down, down, down. Settle down for the night. Like a hiding place, in three separate acts that ends in disgrace.